Hello, Professor. We are group number 5. Our group name is Technocraft, and myself, Alex. My group mates are Links and Victor. Today, I am delighted to introduce our company to you. It's Hyper Technology Sierra, a cutting-edge company based in vibrant province of Quebec, Canada. So, Hyper Technology Sierra is a leading innovative computer brand in Canada with a focus of personalized computer manufacturing. Their core competency involves the production of personal computers, software solutions, personal PCs, storage devices, and an array of related accessories. Hypertechnology Sierra enjoys a strategic location in the heart of Quebec. This central position not only facilitates efficient distribution but also underscores the company's commitment to become a key player in the growing technology sector in this province. Hypertechnology Sierra not only manufacturing products, they offer extensive services to meet their clients' needs. Their services like designing prototype to custom branding, complaint testing, and engineering services. The company ensures its customer satisfaction to become a dominant in this field. So, the operation issue of our company is supply chain and logistics. The operational challenges overview are lack of real-time visibility, constrained supply chain of critical components, risk of increased cost, missed business opportunities, and customer impact. So, a brief description of our operation issues are: the first one is lack of real-time visibility. Due to the lack of real-time visibility, we can't really make a quick decision, or we can't really act quickly to these problems. It affects the company's goodwill. The other one is constraint of supply chain critical components, like shortage of computer panels, central processing units. This led to a delivery delay, and it affects the customer satisfaction. The other one is risk of increased cost. Due to the supply chain issues, the cost of transportation and other components can go high, and it badly affect the ROI of the company. The other one is missed business opportunity. Due to the delay results, the company might face a big problem like missing their core business opportunities, and it badly affect the company's profit. And the last one, but not the least, the customer impact. The operation issues directly affect the customers and their satisfaction. Due to the supply chain issue, it will negatively affect the customer, and it might lose many loyal customers.
Next, we are going to look upon the 3 proposed solutions for our company for the operational issues. So the first one is the IoTs, the next one is the cloud computing, and the third one is the automation. So first I would like to discuss more about the capabilities of IoTs in the area of supply chain management. So as we all know that IoTs has emerged as one of the game changer, offering a sophisticated solutions to address the operational challenges and significantly improve the efficiency and security of supply chain process. So what are IoTs? So IoT is basically it's a network of sensors and connected devices to gather real-time information throughout the supply chains. So this means that these are all interconnected systems, allows for seamless exchange of informations, and which can create more responsive and agile supply chain between companies. So next one is how it works. Practically, we chose 2 devices, which are the RFID tags and the GPS devices on shipments. So this technology can provide continuous stream of real-time tracking data, enabling organization to monitor the movement of goods at every stages of the shipments. So next one, how we are connecting this to our operational issue. So one of the persistent challenge in supply chain management is the lack of real-time visibility during the transportation or in between transits from one place to another. So to reduce it, traditionally we have seen the tracking methods it all will result in delays and gaps, so which can gives us like less information of what's going on and how. So to make it simple and to like increase the efficiency of that, to address the issues of that, this program offers a continuous flow of data, allowing business to proactively manage the supply chain management. So next, let's see what is cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is like having a supercomputer, like super smart remote computers that stores, manage and handles all the data and like important data for us. Like it's like a central hub where we keep all everything we need, and we can access it from anywhere, anytime. So how it works? So how it works is like imagine all the information and about deliveries, purchases history, and stock, which can store and stock neatly organized in this virtual cloud space. So cloud technology is like making sure that we get this info anytime, wherever, as I have said before. Like we can access this anytime, anywhere, from any part of the world. So it's like having a magic window into our data. So ensuring we are always up to date with the crucial shipments. So that's how it works. And next, it's like connection to operational issue, which is logistics and supply chain, as my friend Alex has said before. So how it is connected to our operational issue? Now, like I think it's a common problem in operation is like there may be mistakes, delays, and confusion in between like shipments and everything. So cloud computing, like it helps, like it gives us further steps to how to save the day by improving how we handle data, like with everything neatly organized, and like it's like accessing in real time. We can manage information better, like by like when we use cloud computing, by like because it can increase our efficiency and avoid like errors and delays in our delivering our products to the customers. So next let's discuss about the next proposed solution, which is the automation. So automation is like the technology which can help us get things done without the human interactions. So what is automation? So automation is all about like getting the machines and technology to do the work without the involvement of humans in it. And it's like imagine things like happening in seamlessly, like effortlessly, but it's really just the power of smart machines doing the things and getting the job done easily. So how it works? It is like automation takes care of all sorts of tasks, from making sure our shipments are fulfilled to the to planning how things get from one place to another, and even managing how much stuff we have in stocks. And it's like having a team of tireless robots or technology, I think. So ensuring everything is in order and making sure everything going smoothly and efficiently. Let's see how the automation is connected to our operational issue. So I think like thinking about our problem, the company has faced like many issues during the post-pandemic period. So it's like shortage, delays, and all sorts of challenges, or like shortage in raw materials to produce the product. So automation like steps in like a savior to solve all this problem, like making sure that we don't run into those issues, I guess. And it optimizes different processes, like cutting down on delays and human errors, and it can speed things up and make fewer mistakes, which like ensures that our product reach the destination on time to the customers, making our operation smoother and more reliable.
So these are the devices we are planning to use for the solution. The first one is in the IoT. We are trying to use RFID tags. The specific tag is called ThinkMagic USB RFID reader. This is a hardware device designed to read and capture data from RFID tags. This reader is typically used in scenarios where quick and efficient data capture from RFID tag is required, such as inventory management, supply chain issues. And the second one is GPS device. So we are planning to use GPS device QuickLink 300 GPS tracker as the next option. This serves as an invaluable asset in revolutionizing supply chain operational issues all over the world, because it will help in the real-time visibility of the shipment. It will show us where is our transportation is currently right now, or if there is any issues or delays happening because of any blocks or anything. So its precision in pinpointing locations coupled with extended battery life and durable design makes it an ideal solution for business seeking enhanced visibility and security within the supply chain. So the next one is, after IoT, is the cloud computing. For the cloud computing, we are planning to use the Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is an object storage device designed to store and retrieve data over the internet. It provides scalable storage capacity, high durability and low latency access to data. Usage in supply chain. Within the supply chain context, Amazon S3 can be utilized for storing and managing vast amounts of supply chain data, including product information, transaction records, logistics data, or inventory details. It offers secure, reliable, and easily accessible storage for various applications, such as data analysis, predictive modeling, or machine learning algorithms aimed at almost every supply chain operations. If we use the automation solution, we came up with two software and two devices. The two devices are automated guided vehicle and warehouse automation Geek Plus AMR solution. The two softwares are telematics and fleet management and inventory management system Zebra TC20. Now we are looking at the three solutions timeline. So we are integrating our three solutions and we are looking which is the best cost effective in these three solutions. And as we can see in this table, so for the implementation for the IoT devices, it will only take 3 to 6 months, as we can see in the table. For the installation, setup and testing, for everything just 3 to 6 months, and that will be it. But for the cloud computing, it will take 8 to 14 months, because it's a very complicated thing, because we have to be connected with the servers that we are doing this. So it encompasses infrastructure setup, data migration, customization, security, implementation, training and support. All these things needs to be done before testing it. And the third one is automation. It will take 6 to 12 months, less than cloud computing, but more than IoT devices. It includes software acquisitions, customization, deployment, training and support. After analyzing our three solutions, we came up with IoT devices. The reasons are the real-time visibility and tracking. The IoT devices like RFID tags and GPS trackers provide real-time information on the decision, status and condition of goods during the transit. This level of visibility allows proactive decision making and immediate response to any situations that arise. Cloud computing might not offer the real-time tracking capability, while automation might not offer the same level of real-time visibility into individual shipments or component within the supply chain. Error reduction and improvement transparency is a big thing, because in the IoT sensors offer accurate real-time data, reducing error and enhancing transparency throughout the supply chain. This can significantly mitigate risks associated with delays, losses and errors. Other solutions like cloud computing facilitates data management. It might not provide the granularity or immediate feedback that IoT devices offer. Automation streamlines process might not address issues with transparency or real-time monitoring. Briefly, we explained about the IoT devices cost, how much it costs to implement. But now I am explaining a little bit more about that. So the initial investment is like 6,100 for 10 trucks. That is for RFID readers and GPS trackers. And not only that, the maintenance is also, we need to consider the maintenance. It will take 10% of the overall cost. And not only that, we need laborers to install these things. That's also take 5% of the total cost. By implementing the two IoT devices, we will get the benefit of reduced theft and loss, enhanced supply chain visibility and security, improved supply chain management, and operational efficiency.
For ROI calculations, we took an assumption of final value like $10,000 and an initial cost, as Victor mentioned, like 6,100 for 10 trucks. After the calculation, we found that the ROI is equal to 63.93%. It means that for every dollar we invest, we get a return of $6.4. It's a positive sign, and it's compared to other three solutions, the best one which gives a great return on investment is IoT. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time.